So we're sitting with clients, and this is something that comes up all the time as we're trying to decide when to do distributions for children. And now we're more talking about adult children, right? So you're setting up your will, you're setting up your trust, and you're trying to decide how do you treat your kids, right? So let's say you have two kids. I always get asked, do I or should I treat my children equally in my estate plan? So that depends, not to be a lawyer, but that depends. The answer depends on what you're talking about. So first, let's tackle a power of attorney, right? So power of attorney document that says that if you're incapacitated, God forbid you have a stroke, you're in an accident and you can't make legal or medical decisions, then you're naming somebody to have the legal authority to make it for you. So this person steps into your shoes and makes legal and financial decisions for you. Um, Clients have a hard time because they feel bad. They don't want to name one child over the other because they don't want child number two to get offended. But I have to talk to my clients and help them understand that this is not, it's not a party. When this happens, when someone is using a power of attorney, it's under not great situations, right? It's because the parent has become incapacitated and the child has to step in and get things done. So it's a difficult situation, it's a sad situation, and it's definitely a stressful situation. So what you should do is look for somebody who is going to step up and who is going to be there and is going to show up during a difficult situation and get things done. Not who's the nicest, not who makes you feel the best necessarily, but the person who you know is going to have your best interest at heart and who's going to get things done. So that's the first thing for powers of attorney. Don't worry about offending people or offending children. Right now, you have a job to do, and that job is to make sure that you set your stuff up for other people to be able to step in, okay? And for things to get done if you can't do them yourself. So that's number one for powers of attorney. The second time that everybody asks me, well, should I treat them the same? Is when it comes to wills and trust, when you're actually leaving money to kids. And that's a topic that we're going to discuss in the next video.